In this video, I'm gonna be showing you guys 2 ways on how you can add Instagram feed to Shopify store. Now, this is very easy and quick. First thing you wanna do, guys, you wanna go to this website. It's called elfsite.com. Okay. Now, this is the website that we are going to use to add Instagram feed to our Shopify. Now, this is the name of the website. It's called Elfsite. Now, if you don't have an account, this is your first time using this account, you wanna click on sign up. It's free, and if you have an account, click on login. So I already have an account, I'm going to click on login. Now the next thing, guys, you want to do, you want to select, like, wait for it to load, and you want to select Instagram feed. Okay, there are a lot of different options here. You want to select Instagram feed and click on create widget. Now it will take you to this page where you can select a template. Okay, you want to select which template you want: slider or profile widget, small widget, grid. Now you want to select which template you want. I'm going to go with this one, so I'm going to click on continue with this template, and here you can select I am going to select my personal account, and it asks me here to connect to Instagram. I need to connect my this website to my Instagram so that I can get the code that we can paste on our Shopify so that we can add Instagram feed to our Shopify. Now you just want to select here my personal account, click on connect to Instagram, and you want to click on allow. And this, as you can see, these I just posted like 2 pictures on my Instagram. Now next thing you want to do, guys, you can customize this as you want. You want to click on filters and you can customize this as you want. You can change many things here, okay, including the layout, post style. Now after you customize this, you want to click on add to website. Okay, now it will give you a code that we are going to use right now. You want to click on this code. If it asks you guys to select a plan, just go with the free plan, click on this code, and you want to go to your Shopify store and log into your Shopify store. I'm going to do that right now. Now next thing you want to do, guys, you want to click on online store in the left, and next thing you want to do, guys, let me close this. You want to click on customize. As you can see, after you click on online store, you want to click on customize, and it will take you guys to this page. What you need to do, guys, next you want to click on custom liquid, as you can see, or you can click on add section. Like, if you find here custom liquid, click on it. As you can see, it's called custom liquid. Click on it and paste that code here. By the way, you can select which page you want to add the Instagram feed to. Click on home page and you can select which page you want. All right, now after you select the page, you want to click on, by the way, you can customize this as you want. Like you see here, everything here, you can customize this, and you want to click on save, as you can see in the top right. Now as you can see, this is inside. Now I'm going to open my store, and I'm going to see if we have successfully added our if you scroll down, as you can see on our store, you can see here where it says follow us on Instagram, and these the pictures. Okay, now that's it. Now if you want to another simple way to add Instagram feed, if this is complicated for you, just click the video in the screen and you will be able to do that. Please drop a like, and I'm trying to sell this picture for $1 million on Shopify. So as you can see, please, if you need any help, let me know in the comments. I reply to every single comment. See you guys next video.